Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check your Windows 10 build and edition because compatibility matters. Make a restore point and a full backup so you can roll back if needed. Download the OpenShell installer. Once done, run the installer as administrator and select classic Start menu components. Install only the Start menu module first, then reboot. These steps prevent accidental system changes and make sure you have the exact installer that recreates the old Start menu experience. Once OpenShell is installed, open its settings and pick Classic or two-column layout to mimic old Windows 10 Start behavior. Customize menu items, favorites, and search integration so pinned apps function as you expect. Make sure OpenShell is set to replace the Start button and to use Windows Search for consistency. If the Start button fails, re-register Start menu packages or restore a backed-up Shell 32 link. These adjustments restore look and function while preserving system integrity. Finish by rebooting and testing search, right-click context and pinned shortcuts. Disable live tiles if you prefer the classic static menu. If something breaks, use your restore point or uninstall OpenShell to return to stock. Make sure to clear temporary profiles if icons misbehave. One key troubleshooting tip: run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM to repair corrupted system files that can interfere with the Start menu. This ensures the old Start appearance works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.